Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. So I've gone to the beauty supply store multiple times and I've seen these packs of hair that say, one pack is enough. And I look at it and I'm like, nah sis, I don't see it. I don't see it for the one pack. But today I'm actually going to try it and I'm trying it with some short passion twists. This style is going to be functional. It's going to be very easy, I feel like, but I don't want to speak too soon. So let's get started. So here's what the pack of hair looks like. It is from Zury and it says Naturali Star. I guess that's the sub brand, but it's Zury hair. It's passion twist and it says V11. It has 9-inch passion twist, 10 inches, and 11 inches. So I'm going to take the plastic off so you can see it better, and then I'm just going to get to installing this hair. So here's the hair outside of the pack. It seems to be a lot of hair, and I honestly do think that one pack is going to be fine, but I have spoken too soon before, so we'll see. I am going to put the 9 inches on the bottom, the 10 inches in the middle, and the 11 at the top, so it gives me a cute little bob, and then I can put half up, half down. I think that's what I did with the butterfly locks, the ones that didn't work out. So much talking. Let me just take the 9-inch out. I'll show you the loop, and I'll show you the install. So I also did want to mention the pack says that there's 105 strands in the pack. So 105 of these in the pack. That means 105 divided by 3 because there's 3 sections. There are 35 pieces here. 35. So like I said, the short ones are going to go in the back. Let me get my mirror. Like this is the lowest part. So I'll just put one right here. I'm hoping the loops are not going to be a problem. This is a very small lock, so I think the loop is going to be fine. I can easily pull it apart to get it open, stick it on here, pull it through, catch the end, or almost the end, and pull it through. That was really easy, and this is 9 inches and it seems a little bit long, so I think this is going to work out just fine. Well, I got it in. As you can see, I still have spots that are kind of open, but ultimately one pack was kind of enough. I did have to beg, borrow, and steal from the back to put into the front. So maybe they could have added maybe like 10 more pieces in the pack, and then the one pack is enough would be true. I like the hair. It's very lightweight. It's very fun. It's a great length for me because I work with kids. I just feel like the differences in lengths weren't really accurate. All the lengths seem to kind of be the same. They even had this one random one that's just super long. But I could have probably staggered them the other way, like long, medium, and short, and they would probably come out exactly the same. So I don't know that the lengths really matter that much. This is the color 2. The pack was $22. I did use every single piece and I did have to switch some pieces so that I could make everything fit. But ultimately this is really pretty hair. I'm not buying another pack, but I do have spots that need to be filled. So I'll just like strategically pull from the back and put them in the spaces up front that needs to be filled. I do recommend this hair. It was very easy to install. It took me like 40 minutes to do it all, and I was watching a show and I stopped multiple times. So yes, I do recommend this hair. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna take each loop off, and then once I'm done with it, I'm gonna put it in a bag and I'll reuse it at some point. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a great day.